Hi all, welcome to Om Shri Tara. Today I'm here with this little cutie pie bags. So what does this bag contain? This bag contains everything that can pull money towards you. So this bag, let's see what's in this bag. So first, foremost, I have a big key. So it is believed in Hinduism, there's a financier who is so rich that he holds a lot of wealth and good fortune and lots of money and gold in his treasury. So we tend to pray to him and then get his blessings and take a lot of money from him. So this is a key to his treasure. So always, whenever we want to have opportunity open for us or any door open for us, good luck door get activated. We always say when you open a lock, just say all my opportun I'm unlocking all my opportunities. Or if you unlock a door, just say that you're unlocking wealth or abundance in your life. So key is a opener to all the locks, financial locks we have. This key is called Kuberan's key. In front, you have Kubera's picture. Kubera is a treasurer who holds the position of a treasurer, holds a lot of money and wealth under his custody. So at the back, we have his yantra printed. So this key helps us to open lots and lots of treasure in our life. So this can be kept either in your puja room or your altar, or it can be kept in your money box. All you have to do is just spray some perfume you have. If you can get a perfume that is not alcohol contained, it will be great. Or you can just ask for attar or jasmine oil or essential oil. You can just smear it on top of this key and then put it in your altar and keep it in your, or you can keep it in your cash box. And then let's see what we have next. Wow, I have a pirate. So pirate comes under semi-precious stone. This semi-precious stone attracts lots of money in our life. All you have to do is just get a pirate and put it in your box. It just keeps your money box filled with cash. Or you can just put it in your wallet or your handbag. And on this pirate, this is actually a polished pirate. A raw pirate will have a specks, a rough edge on it, and this is a polished variety. And top of it, we have Mahalakshmi, who is a goddess of wealth. If you invoke her, you will have a lot of wealth, good fortune, and every Friday we do a Mahalakshmi puja to invoke her. So her picture is imprinted in here, and then at the back of this coin there's a Lakshmi yantra. So yantra is a geometrical figure that represents Mahalakshmi, that activates Mahalakshmi. So you have a pirate which is already a fortune puller. I mean, it attracts a lot of wealth. And you have Mahalakshmi who is known for her wealth and fortune. And you have a yantra, a geometrical figure that represents Mahalakshmi. And this is printed on both sides of the coin. And this coin, either you can keep it with you, or you can keep it in your money box, or you can keep it anywhere in your aura that will help you. Or you can keep it in your altar next to any, if you are a follower of Mahalakshmi or Kubera, you can just keep it there. And likewise, you can smear some fragrance on top of this to get it activated. And let's see what we have next. I have green aventurine. We all know green aventurine also comes under semi-precious category. And then this also attracts money, wealth, good fortune. And we have Ganesha printed here. Lord Ganesha, famously known as elephant-headed god. So this Ganesha is known as an obstacle remover. If you have any obstacles in your life, you pray to Ganesha, he breaks the ties, he breaks the ice, or he breaks the obstacles. So if money is not coming in and pouring in your life as rain, all you have to do is if you put a lot of effort and you work so hard for your business, but still there is requirement of money, or if there's you feel like you're not being paid for your hard work, or there is no recognition for your hard work, all these obstacles, all these hurdles can be removed by praying to Ganesha. So this is a green aventurine again for money and prosperity, and you have Ganesha imprinted on it. This helps to break all the obstacles that you face with regards to prosperity and money. So you have this again, you can smear some essential oil or something that's non-alcoholic perfume that you have around, you can smear on it. And let's see what we have next. Wow, I have Gomati Chakra. Gomati Chakra also comes under shell variety, but it's kind of like a circle chakra, which has a little twirl, a circle inside of it also, which indirectly means good luck. So this is also special for Mahalakshmi, who's the goddess of wealth. So you can either have 5 counts or 9 counts or 11 counts of Gomati Chakra. Chakra means round. Anything that is round is called chakra. And then there is a print, or the way it is made naturally, there is a little circle that goes around, like it spins around. So this is called Gomati Chakra, which is found mostly around the river of Gomati. And it also represents Mahalakshmi and invokes, people use this to invoke Mahalakshmi in their life. So you have 4 things, which is Gomati Chakra. We have 5 number in count. You can have 9 or 11. And then you have pirate with Mahalakshmi and Lakshmi Yantra printed in it, which brings in a lot of money and good luck. And then we have green aventurine with Ganesha printed on it to break all that's stopping your money flow and then to invite money. And you have a key which is called Kubera's key to unlock the treasure of abundance and prosperity. And you can put all these things together in this little bag. It's made of velvet. And then you can either put it in your altar or put it in your money box, or you just put it in your handbag and carry it around for, and it should be in your aura for good luck to come around you.